The one that recorded. Right. 5.12. Requests for approval to update the Eastern Taupo Arterial designation under the Taupo District Plan. Correct?
That's correct, yes. So,
Good afternoon, Gemma.
Good afternoon. This item is really just to tidy up the designation to reflect where the physical alignment of the road corridor actually is now, and we've been through, we've sent these plans off to New Zealand Transport Agency and have been working on stuff, and the piece of paper that you've just been handed is the feedback that we've received from them about the two intersections at Centennial and Broadlands Road. And basically with these two particular locations, they were never part of the designation because they ran over, my understanding is they were existing local roads and the designation was in favour of the council, so it wasn't really necessary to do that. Now, because we're transferring it to the NZTA, after we formalised this process and tidied it up, they have requested that we tidy up those two particular locations. So my proposed amendment to the recommendations is that we insert subject to final agreement from New Zealand Transport Agency, Council, and then the same stuff that's there in resolution number 1. So that means that we can just formalise these two areas with them in agreement, and everything else is as per they're happy with, as per the maps that are attached.
We're not giving away any commercial land here, are we?
No. We haven't added...
Looks like a big area.
Which one's that? No, basically what's in there within the designation already is being retained, and you'll note probably one of the references 15 and, sorry, for number, I think it's 50, Broadlands Road. The designation's being uplifted off that, and that improves our area in terms of that particular piece of land going forward, so it's beneficial where it can be. Cool. Yeah.
Good. Okay, we gain land. Good. All right. Thank you, Gemma. Thank you very much. How's your young one?
She's great.
Good. You're old yet?
Yeah, she's 14 months at Christmas, basically. So yeah, it's crazy how time's flown.
When do we get a public viewing?
By appointment.
$20. All right. Suggested recommendation there. 1 and A and B. I have a move, please. Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.